Bill from Freeport has a roofing riddle.
He is living the dream down there in Freeport. He owns this modified A-frame kind of house down there.
It is modified A-frame.
That's kind of cool. It's not much of a view from either side, but
yeah, no.
Bill writes to us. He says, the hardy I used for the large walls is bubbling and peeling. I was told maybe I should have used roofing material instead. I just had it painted in April, he says, and it's already bubbling and peeling, as you can see in this picture right here.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, that's painted in April.
I understand.
So that's not happy. The painter suspects it's a moisture issue. Go figure. Should there have been airspace, he asks, between the main walls and the siding? There's no insulation in the interior, he says. So Bill wants to know, should he have used a roofing material instead of siding on that?
A lot of different issues here.
Okay.
Do you use a roofing material? Do you use a siding material? You know where this comes most popular is when the geodesic dome was invented.
By Buckminster Fuller.
Yeah, which is a great structure, but do you use a siding or do you use a roofing because it's so unusual? The bottom line is it should have been a roofing material. So we'll just start with that. And it would have been just considered a very high-sloped roof, very, very steep roof. Hardy is not rotting. It's working. We didn't hear anything about leaks or anything, so it's fine. But in that case, Charlie, it's the paint. They used a bad paint or they didn't prep it right. It has nothing to do, whether it's at this slope or this slope, like a wall. It doesn't matter. You get hit with water, it's got to be able to shed it. The Hardy is shedding it fine. The paint's not holding up. Blame the paint and the process of the paint.
So let's talk about that. How do we fix the paint?
Somebody's going to have to go in and just prep that whole thing and use a high-quality paint, not something from an aisle 9. I'll guarantee you, because it peeled so quick, they didn't even either clean it and get it prepped properly, like Rudy would have done with Rudy's quality painting, like professionals do, and they used a very low-quality paint, and that's why it's going to be taking a beating. But it's no different than a wall in this situation. It's just got a little kick to it.
Here's my question. Did he put 2 coats on?
I don't know. That could be too. But either way, it's not the Hardy. It's not the airspace. And next time you do this, shingles would have been a better choice. No paint at all. Think about it. It's a roofing material. No maintenance at all.
I look at that. It kind of looks like a roof. I've never really been...
Anything with a slope can be a roof.
I've never really thought about putting Hardy on my roof. But it'd be kind of a permanent roof.
Well, they actually tried that once, but it didn't work.
That's right, the Hardy roofing.
That was a long time ago.
Moving along.
Yes.
Have you got a question, friends? Send it to us at HomeShowRadio.com. Use the Ask Tom form, and we'll answer it just like that, just like these quality videos over here. You can have one, too.